So this is more like a black and yellow, black and yellow.
You know what it is. Black and yellow, black and yellow, black and yellow, black and yellow.
Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, I'm Car with On A Budget, where we love all things nails. Now, I'm no professional. I am just a nail enthusiast, and I cater a lot of my videos to press-on and gel-X nails. All in all, I'm really here to have fun and find great affordable ways for you to enjoy your nail journey. So if you're in the market for that, then just keep watching. As you all can tell by the intro of this video, I'm ecstatic. As always, I got another haul. Like, why not? Everywhere I go, I'm always picking up more press-on nails. If you don't know, press-on nails are very convenient for me. I have a 4-year-old. I'm a busy mom. Of course, I do this for you all. I have a 9-to-5, and I'm also an active member in my church. So I'm picking up press-on nails from everywhere. I also told you all in my last video, I have a lot of stuff on my shelf that I'm trying to get rid of. So today is no different. So we have another collective haul, and I'm so excited to bring this to you all because this is during the Valentine's Day season. You just never know how you can use some of these nails, and I feel like this will be perfect for you all. So if you're shopping any and everywhere, you can find a lot of these nails. If you're going into Target, if you're going into Walmart, if you're going into like Ross, TJ Maxx, you can find a lot of these nails that I have for you all. Also, if you're doing like your couponing, so if you're going to Walgreens, CVS, Dollar General, Family Dollar, Dollar Tree, you can also find and score some of these gems as well. I love to do those on Saturday because I get to save an additional $5. So please don't discount these stores as well. We're looking for the discount. Now, the price point for these nails, they do range, and y'all know me. I love to keep stuff around $1.25 all the way up to $20 when I'm looking for some of these. A lot of these were around the $1.25. Mainly like the $2 price point all the way up to like the $6, $7 price point. I did score these nails last year, so the prices may vary now. Please do keep that in mind. Now, these kits are going to contain around 24, 28, or 30 nails because we have different vendors, different brands, and etc. Some kits are coming with just nails. Some kits are coming with the entire kit caboodle. If you're like me and you have a lot of things that you can take on the go with you that you normally have together, like your glue, your alcohol prep pad, a mini manicure stick, and a nail file and buffer, then you just can pick up these nails to save you a little bit more coin. Remember, we are doing that in 2025. So that's pretty much everything you need to know when you're looking for nails such as this. Let's just jump into what I scored for you loves. I have 5 nails for you loves today. I did pick them up in various places. I have 1 from Target, I have 2 from my beauty supply store, and then like 2 from Family Dollar, Dollar General, or Dollar Tree. It's been a minute, but that's where I was at. These are also some newer lines. I don't know if I'm really supporting one of them, but they got the nails that I'm really here for, okay? Now, the price point for these nails are around the $2 to $3 price point when I went to the lower, you know, budget-friendly lines. And then, of course, they're my favorite. So we have some for kids. We also have a new one. And then I also have a traditional one that you will find in Target. That was more around the $6, $7 price point. And then the ones that I got from the beauty supply store will be your pricier ones. They're gonna be 10 and under or 12 and under, okay? So please keep that in mind. But jumping right on in, because I don't wanna be all day editing me, kind of tired of talking me. and I'm very, very talkative, and I don't talk fast enough for me to edit a video. So jumping right on into the very first one that we have. This one is called Chill House. This is the line that they have. This style is called Gone Glamping, which I really do love green. We all know that. So this is in, to me, the short length, and this is in the almond oval shape. I really have to say I love anything that's in green. I don't care what shade of green. Lime green is my favorite color, but I felt like this was perfect as we're still in the winter season. I know we're getting ready to get out of it, get into the spring. I know we're ready for it. Definitely if you're getting some crazy weather, whether you're West Coast with the fires, down south, or East Coast with the crazy like winter weather, etc. I feel like these nails are still a hit. Okay, I'm still gonna pull these out. And also, if you're part of my, you know, short baddies with the nail beds, then this is definitely for you as well. You can see this is more of that artistic design that you have through here, which is the wavy lines. They're just going any kind of way on every different nail. So I do love that, because even though I'm having these different shades of green, of the dark olive hunter green that you will see, the lighter green, and that gray in there, they're just all going a different type of way. I love wearing stuff like that when I'm just trying to have an everyday nail, no gems, no real glitz or glams, just have it look like I had a polished, manicure, fresh nail, okay? So if that's you, then Gone Glamping is definitely for you, because clearly I can wear these out if my man want to do like, he likes RVing, okay? If I need to do something like that, this will be perfect. So remember, that is Chill House. That is the line. I've never brought them to the channel. So if you would like for me to try that out, please put that down in the comments below. The next one is my favorite, all right? I had to get y'all a budget-friendly thing for my budget baddies out there. Kids will never steer you wrong. And if you're just looking for nails itself, whether you want to put an overlay on it with acrylic or gel, if you want to try out some different methods, add some gems to it, these are perfect. So the first one that I have is called New Romantics. I felt like for the Valentine's Day season, why not get some, you know, getting ready for spring, but still in that winter season style nails. This is in the long length, and this is in the coffin shape. I do like to pick these up because sometimes a long coffin nail still gives me that slave that I need to elongate my fingers. Okay, that's what I prefer. You may pick whatever style you like, but of course I'm trying to get some of those cute Valentine's Day slaves in here. So as you can see, you have an ombre style nail with this dark purple. Y'all know this is like the trend with that burgundy purple style look. You also have that artistic like wavy design in this as well. You can see you have a lighter purple highlight color, as you can say, with that pink. And then your other accent nails are these cute daisies that you have, and they have either purple or white, and the center is either white or purple, just to mix it up for you loves. I do love this. I do feel like if you want to try to do a gel X moment, you can. But if not, y'all know my regular air dry glue that I love that will work perfect for these nails. So remember, this is New Romantic. So if you're in a new relationship like your girl, we're trying to make it down the aisle one of these days, then this is perfect for you. The next one we have is called Wildest Dream. I felt like this is so cute. I'm loving the chocolate still during the Valentine's Day time. I'm hoping I can get some chocolates before and after Valentine's Day, along with some flowers. These are in the extra long length, and these are also in the coffin shape. As you can see, this is still along that traditional style. We have that hard smile line and some of these. So instead of a traditional white French, you have a chocolate light brown. I just really honestly love this. So you have some of these that are just a traditional style French nail. That's it. And then your accent ones, you have the hearts at the base of your nail, the bed of your nail bed. And then you also have that checkered print that has that nude-based tone, that not skin tone, but like your nail bed tone. And then you have that dark chocolate brown. I felt like these were so cute. Definitely, if you're married, okay, I need to be saying that nowadays because hopefully you're married doing these things and your man and he's liking you touching him with the long claws, the grabbers, then this is definitely for you. So if you're really into the chocolate theme, you have that dress, etc. that you want to do for Valentine's Day, then pick up Wildest Dreams, because clearly you didn't think you was gonna get married, okay, or get engaged, whatever. For those who having those moments during this time, then that's definitely for you. And this is also affordable for those who are, you know, pinching pennies right now. Now, I do want to have something that's a little bit more controversial to my channel, because they were not supporting people who look like me, and honestly, we support this brand because it's really catered toward us. So I have this line by Eben, okay? I was definitely doing a boycott of not buying any of their stuff, but I had purchased this before I did that. So I want to tell you guys about this one. This one is called Be Careful. So be careful during this Valentine's Day season. This is in the medium length and this is in the almond shape. This is something new that I would also like to try out for you loves. There are a lot of nails that you can see like this in your local beauty supply stores. If you want to try something different outside of your normal brands that you see me have, I am trying to bring those out. As you all can see, there's 2 new ones in this video. So I had to pick this up. This does have a sculpted arch. So this, if you have, you know, a flatter nail bed, it does have that arch in there. This is an acrylic-like finish. As you all can see, I had to pick something simple just in case I might not like this. This does have a traditional style French with the hard smile line, but instead of the traditional white, we have a yellow in this. So this is more like a black and yellow, black and yellow.
You know what it is. Black and yellow, black and yellow, black and yellow, black and yellow.
Hey, okay, you know what it is. But anyway, you might need to be careful with this, but this is so cute. As y'all can see, your accent ones have the little yellow or black dots to kind of give it that hard smile line, something a little, you know, different. Those are for those who live that soft life. Some days I want to live a soft life, and then some days I just want to be extra. And most of the time I'm going to be extra because that is me. Everybody don't want to be extra, so I'm standing out, doing my thing, staying in my lane, which is extra. This says this is shaped to perfection, and I mean, too classy. The mood is too classy. So if that is you, soft girl era, that's what you're doing in 2025, pick this up. Now this is around the $10 price point, but you might be getting what you're looking for. So I highly encourage, let me know if y'all want to see this in a tutorial, because I am I'm ready to do that. The last one that we have is called Bear With Me. And bear with me as I'm getting this channel together and dealing with all the other things that's trying to stop me from getting this content to you all. So bear with me. This is in the long length and this is in the taper square shape. Y'all know those are my favorite 2 shapes. Why not do it? I love a good almond. I love a good taper square, and I prefer them to be long, okay? So same thing with this, and this is just a solid color nail. It's that fleshy tone. I feel like it'll work with a lot of other skin tones, not just mine. Of course it does great with this melanin skin, but just in case you're looking for something to just keep it simple because you're doing something all out for Valentine's Day, I felt like this was perfect to bring to you all. It's also grabbers as well. And if you're trying to work on your artistic side, you can add things to this as well. So those are all of the nails that I did score for you loves. If you would like to see any of that, please put that down in the comments. If you want to see more collective hauls or distinct hauls, put that down in the comments as well. And if you made it to this portion of the video, leave me some heart emojis, leave me some love, okay? Because I feel like I'm getting some great bangers and new items for you loves. So yeah, let's just talk down in the comments below. Okay loves, that is all that I have for this great video today. If you want to see more hauls like this, please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Definitely subscribe because we would love to have you over here. Also follow me over on my socials. You can find me on IG and TikTok. TikTok is back, so we is here. I am here, you are here. So you can see me do more things that I'm unable to bring to the channel sometimes, okay? And you don't want to miss out on those money saving ideas as well. With me saying money saving, love, that's the whole reason why I'm here. In 2025, I'm going to save you the most coins that you ever saved, okay? That is why I'm here. And if I'm not doing that, please put that down below so I can help you help me. Also, don't forget the most important thing that I put in every video, which is the verse of the day, and that God loves you and so do I. But in the meantime, there's always more videos for you to catch up on, and don't forget to pray for all of those people around the world that's going through different things, okay? So we don't want to forget about that. So until next time, loves, bye.